Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Connecting your Zen device to Zen Studio 2025 genuinely requires one specific method. This exclusive approach ensures you unlock optimal performance and gain full feature access. It's the only pathway designed for seamless integration and robust functionality. Understanding this unique link is truly crucial for every Zen user, ensuring a smooth and powerful experience. The exclusive pathway to connect your Zen device is by utilizing the official USB-C bridge cable. Standard USB-C cables, unfortunately, will not establish a proper connection, so do not try them. This specialized cable is engineered precisely to handle the unique, proprietary data streams essential for your device. It ensures stable communication and full compatibility with Zen Studio 2025. The USB-C bridge cable is indispensable because it supports a unique, encrypted data protocol. This specific protocol enables secure firmware updates, alongside robust custom scripting capabilities for your device. Furthermore, it crucially maintains signal integrity, which is absolutely critical for competitive gaming and precise input execution. This dedicated design guarantees a stable and high-performance link for everything you need. First, simply plug the smaller USB-C end of your bridge cable firmly into your Zen device. Then, connect the standard USB-A end into an available port on your personal computer. Zen Studio 2025 should subsequently detect your device automatically, initiating the connection process seamlessly. Just ensure your Studio software is running before you plug in the cable. Always remember to use only the official USB-C bridge cable for consistent and reliable results. This practice ensures all firmware updates proceed smoothly and guarantees optimal functionality for your Zen device. Avoiding unofficial cables will prevent potential damage and frustrating connectivity issues down the line. It's the single best way to maintain your device's health and performance for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.